you made the beautiful seafood platter. We've got stuffed lobster, scallops, stuffed shrimp,
Yeah.
half lobster tails,
Yeah.
mussels, king crab leg, a little bit of breadcrumb.
There's a lot of talking. I just think we should eat. Welcome back to Vince's at Home, and this month we have a special edition of Vince's Holidays in the Kitchen with our family and friends.
Yeah, so we thought it would be a great idea for this month to bring in those closest to us to share their family traditions around food and the holidays.
I wish I was 20 years younger.
You're perfect just the way you are. When did you start making this dish? The first time?
Me neither.
23.
When I came here.
Okay, I'm 25 and I can barely cook.
In Italy, you started cooking?
The story is long.
That's okay, we have lots of time.
I left home when I was 12.
Yeah.
I went to northern Italy with some guy, help some guy there, whatever we do. One day, Lago Maggiore, I know Lago Maggiore.
Like a majority, yeah.
Hotel Regina. So I was walking the street, and I saw a bunch of chefs with a hat, with all white. Madonna, what's this? I went inside the hotel 3-4 months before 16. I want to be like them. I want to be in the kitchen, learn a chef, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. I used to make $30 a year a month.
$30 a month?
A month.
I used to work from 8 o'clock to 2:30,
Yeah.
from 5 to 9. And then I went to work small restaurant. They gave me $500 a month.
When did you meet your first girlfriend?
Which one? Two.
Two at the same time?
One left.
So this is the stuffing for the lobster. Look at this. I would just eat this with a spoon.
The bread I fix to follow up over here. If you go to any restaurant, they don't do that.
No. Yours is special. I'm so excited. There might be a little drool on this one.
So in the 1980s, early 90s, when my dad just had Sharon, right? Small store.
Yes.
A lot of the people that worked for him were teenagers. And then they would go to university. And they would work for him from like grade 8, grade 9, all the way to grade 13. At the end of the summer when they were graduating, he would invite them over for dinner. And he would feed them. My mom would make this huge meal and he'd buy them a watch. And so that's this right here. We're just going to eat this and it's going to be the greatest thing ever. We're going to load up. We got to say thank you.
Yes, sir, thank you for you
here.
to come here.
Thank you for coming
Thank
today.
you.
Okay, Bello.
Thank you for showing us
No,
this
we show.
beautiful
It looks
meal.
amazing.
That's my pleasure.
Okay, Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Same to you. I
Okay.
wish we're going to be a good friend forever.
I'm sure we will.
Okay,
Thank you.
that's
Thank
all I
you.
look. I don't look for
You're the
anything else.
Good man. Thank you.
love it.
All right,
Thank you,
everyone.
Bella.
See you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet.
Okay.
Actually, I brought something for this today.
What'd you bring?
Valerie's not used to this kind of meals.
Listen, you always